Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, teman-teman subscriber dimanapun kalian semua berada. Pada pagi hari ini saya ada garapan Nmax yang mengeluhkan tadinya mau upgrade pakai knalpot racing, cuman katanya bocor. Iya, cuman katanya bocor di leher angsanya. Nanti kita akan cek apakah packingnya ataupun lehernya yang tidak presisi. Dan ini untuk area CVT, nanti kita akan ganti roller set, terus filter udara sama kampas rem serta slidernya ya. Serta ini kata yang punyanya rem belakang nggak fungsi, aman ya, lampu rem belakang nggak fungsi. Katanya ini digigit tikus ya. Nanti kita akan perbaiki. Kita akan perbaiki si kabel-kabelnya ya. Oke. Tahap pertama kita akan perbaiki knalpotnya dulu lah. Kita fokus di knalpot, lalu di kabel rem, sama nanti terakhir CVT ya. Oke guys, kita bongkar dulu knalpotnya ya. Nah, untuk baut knalpotnya di sini ini pakai baut 12 ya. 12. Kemudian di sini 14. Sini juga di sini 14 ya.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits. I'm losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
Yeah, there's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions. Each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
Oke guys, untuk knalpot ini udah bagus ya. Nih udah ke si leher angsanya udah nyambung, udah presisi. Cuman tinggal dudukan ininya nih. Kita mesti nyari alat tambahan. Oke. Kita lanjut untuk proses selanjutnya ya. Kita perbaiki area lampu rem belakang ya. Oke teman-teman semua, lanjut untuk perbaikan lampu rem belakang ya. Kita copot dulu si baut beholnya. Kita gunakan kunci 12 ya. Kunci 12. Kita akan cek si kabelannya. Boleh menggunakan impact, kunci shock atau kunci T, pokoknya ukuran 12. Bener guys, digigit tikus guys. Tuh lihat, ini kabel groundnya digigit tikus tuh. Wah banyak ini mah. Kabel biru juga kena. Waduh. Yang biru kemana? Oh parah guys. Kita copotin reflektornya aja. Kita gunakan obeng untuk membuka pelindungnya. Kita buka untuk baut bodinya yang sebelah bawah yang ada ringnya ini. Buat aja kayak gini guys. Hati-hati. Wah, kacau. Kabelnya kacau, guys. Kacau.
Iya kan?
Iya. Ini retaknya mana ya?
Iya, jangan diotak-atik.
Wah.
Nggak tahu kenapa tuh. Mau beli JPA mahal banget. 900.
Astagfirullah. Sampai begini, guys. Ini kabel biru kemana nih?
Itu tuh nggak tahu. Selalu.
Oke guys, sudah dicopot ya. Kita akan perbaiki dulu ini. Oke teman-teman ya, kita akan mulai perbaikannya. Nah ini lampu remnya nih. Ini dibabat habis sama tikus. Tuh, udah hilang beberapa senti tuh. Ya, yang hitamnya. Kemudian untuk lampu senjanya ini habis tuh. Ini nggak bisa diperbaiki ya. Nah untungnya kita punya bekasan nih, fitting bekasan. Kita ambil ininya doang. Ini bekas Honda Vario 150. Kita akan comot dari sini, kita sambungin ke sini ya.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper.
Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see. Whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders, like moving boulders just to get out of the home. It sucks, I've had enough, I don't wanna feel the stuck under the rug, all my problems that I shove.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper.
I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. It sucks when you finally feel like giving up. Oh God, no luck, everything feels like you're sticky stuck. I'm lost, handcuffed to the bed where I sleep, don't give a fuck. Can't stop, unplug, feeling overwhelmed, I think I've had enough. Gotta find a way to get some energy, gotta find someone who's a good friend of me. I need purpose to make it all worth it, I'm still searching and I'm still learning. I want a life that's filled with memories, not a life with regret and frenemies. I need focus to keep me from...
Oke guys, untuk lampu senjanya beres, tinggal lampu remnya.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say, yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make.
Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay, cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency, a message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with, now they looking nervously. And I don't really care what you think of me, respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better, see I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy, hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe, I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say, yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say, yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way.
for taking control of your life. Go out and battle, and you think you have a dream, then act on it. Get after it, get out your head and fucking capture it. You got one life to master it. Don't give up on your future. We all start losers. We're all late bloomers. Gotta struggle through the sewer.
What you say? Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. Yeah, I'ma do it my way.
Oke guys, sudah berhasil ya. Sekarang kita akan coba pasang. Oke guys, kita coba tes. Oke, lampu senja nyala, lampu rem nyala, sen kiri nyala, kanan juga nyala. Ya, oke, mantap. Untuk perkabelan lampu rem beres. Sekarang kita akan fokus ke CVT ya. Kita akan ganti. Ini saya rapiin dulu ya. Nah, dan di sini ada karet pengunci ya teman-teman. Nah, harus nyantel ke sini ya. Pengunci karet pengunci ini harus nyantel ke sini. Oke, selanjutnya bawahnya